box in like this. Ethan? You'd make 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 12 squares. So now what? How do we represent 5 twelfths? Steph?
Shade in 5 squares.
You shade in 5. Is that 5 twelfths? Yes. Okay. You have a paper in front of you that says M&M's fractions. The first thing I want you to do is dump out your cup of M&M's on your desk. Okay? On the top it says total number of M&M's. So go ahead and count how many M&M's you have total. And you're going to record that on your sheet. Okay, so on your sheet, up at the top, it says total number of M&M's. So if you have 20, you're going to write 20. Okay? Does everyone get to that step? Alright, once you've counted all your M&M's, go ahead and count the number of red ones you have. And I want you to represent the fraction on your sheet of paper. Yep, I want you to, no, you are not simplifying. I want you just to write the fraction, and you're going to split it up in the box so you can visually see. Do 2, and then you're going to draw your box. So if you look at the smart board, if you have the fraction of 3/20ths, so I have 3 red ones and 20 in all. I'm going to make the box, and we're going to split it up into 20 boxes.
Does it have to be even?
No.
We did it was shade and we did the orientation with a pencil.
Yes, and then you're going to shade in 3 to represent it. Okay, you're going to do that for all of your colors. So once you've done the red, move on to the green. Looks like many people are ready for the next step. So if you are done, go ahead and flip to the next page. On number 4, it says, look at the fraction you wrote for the red M&M's. What is the numerator? So you're going to write your numerator for the red on your line. So Toby, how many reds did you have? 3. So you would write 3 on the line. What was your denominator? How many did you have all together? 20. So then you would write it on the denominator. So go ahead and do that. Just for the reds. Nicole, how many reds did you have?
1.
You have 1. Okay. I want you to eat your red M&M. Now how many reds does she have?
0.
0. And how many M&Ms did she have altogether to begin with? How many did you have, Nicole? She had 20 M&Ms. So she had 1/20th, and she ate 1. So now how do we represent the red M&Ms? Claire?
0.
Yep. 0/19. So I want you all, for the red ones, to eat 1 M&M, 1 red M&M, and then write your new fraction. On step number 5, it says write your new fraction. And then you're going to repeat that step for the rest of your M&Ms. So you're going to eat all of your M&Ms. And you're going to write the fractions on the bottom.
What? What are you talking about?
Alright. On the bottom of your sheet you have a little table, right? Does everyone see that? Right here? You're going to start with your reds. You should already fill in this part right here with the first one you ate. So if we were Nicole, how many M&Ms of the remaining color you just ate? She ate 1, so she's left with 0. Or sorry, she had 1. How many total do you have remaining? 19. Okay, when she ate it, she lost that 1, so now it's 0. So then we would write our fraction. Everyone got that step, right? Zach?
If you had 0 red M&Ms, would you just keep it at 20?
Yep. Okay, so now we're going to go down to the bottom. So if she ate all her red M&Ms, can we do anything more with the red? No. So then she could go on to green, and she would write down green. And then she would write down how many she had, her beginning fraction, then she would eat 1. Okay, so Nicole, how many green M&Ms do you have? 2. You have 2. Okay, now go ahead and eat 1. So she had 2 19ths because she ate a red one, right? So she just ate another green one. So how many does she have left?
18.
She has 18 altogether, so there's the denominator. So how many M&Ms of green does she have left? If she had 2 and she ate 1, she has 1. Okay?
So what do you do with fraction color? So we all eat 1?
So your fraction total, you have 18 as your denominator. How many does she have left altogether, including all the other colored M&Ms? She'd have 18. Okay, you're going to do that for all of your colors. You're going to start with one color, so start with your red. And then once you eat your red, you're going to go and eat your green.
Okay, so you have 5.
If you eat one, what do you have to do?
Alright.
So now,
What's your number? I'm done.
Paper turnout.
Good. Your numbers. And the bottom,
More numbers.
not numbers,
The colors.
your colors of M&Ms. And with your crayons, you're going to color coordinate them. So if you're doing the red, you're going to color your line red. Okay? So once you're done counting your M&Ms and doing your fractions, go ahead and do your graph.
Do we have to go all the way up with our numbers, or can we like?
You can split it up however you want. You're doing a bar graph. So all from your front page.